I'm glad you're with us, because we've talked about cosmetic surgery for women many, many times, but we don't very often talk about it as an option for men. And yet, more and more men are turning to cosmetic surgery so that they too can feel better about themselves and present themselves better. And so this morning, we have a cosmetic surgeon with us, and his name is Dr. Anthony Geroulis, and we're delighted to have you here.
Nice to be
and
here.
Also with us is Rich Geroulis. Oh, Rich, I knew I was going to...
Geroulis.
Thank you very much. And you have experienced
yes, I have.
surgery, okay, and we're going to talk about that too. But you know that the subject of our whole discussion this morning is the male image and how men are feeling about themselves. And more men are coming to you, aren't they?
Oh, yeah. It's an amazing thing. A few years ago, I'd say approximately 5% of my practice was men having cosmetic surgery, mainly nose work or scars secondary to some trauma. In the last couple of years, that's jumped to almost a third of the practice. And I think we see it every day in our society in terms of men used to, well, first of all, men would never get hair done the way you just saw it done. It was beautiful. Men would just stay bald. Men used to go to a barber and they would get their hair cut.
And
today they go to a stylist.
Right.
And clothing for men has gotten out of the closet, so to speak, and is now more and more fashionable.
It's more acceptable for men to take care of themselves, isn't it? And to be all that they can be.
Yeah. Yeah, we're seeing much more of an awareness of the way they look and a feeling that they need to do this for themselves, just as women have done things for themselves. And men are now having the opportunity to say, well, gosh, you know, I really should do this for myself. And that's what they're coming in with.
Rich Kulisek, it must have taken something for you to make a decision, because you had a problem that you wanted altered. And it's made a difference in your life, and enough so that you're willing to come and talk about it and share that experience with us today.
That's true. When I was growing up in my early teens, really my high school years, it was very difficult for me because I would go through a lot of teasing in that. So thank goodness for my great parents that they said, we're going to make this guy happy. Through some encouragement from my sister, I went ahead and had it done.
Now wait, what kind of a problem did you have?
I had nasal reconstruction.
Okay.
And after that, it really improved my
You
my
really felt that
self-confidence.
during high school that your nose was obtrusive?
It was very large, yes.
Okay. And did you feel that people saw your nose and not you?
Right,
I mean,
exactly.
Is that the
And
idea?
then I would look down instead of right into someone's eyes, you know, to look up at people. I didn't feel that confident. Today, I feel excellent. I can look people in the eye. It's helped me in my career. I'm a different person.
Do you mean that, Rich?
Yes,
you
I
are
do.
a different person?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was more of an introvert, probably. Describes it the best. Now, you know, I feel very confident in what I do. I enjoy life more, and I can honestly say that.
That's quite a testimonial there, isn't it? When did you decide to have this done? Your folks went along with this. They thought it was a good idea.
Right. Again, back in high school, when I first had it done. But I'll tell you, the truth on that, it wasn't a very good job, but it was better than
what you had originally. So you've had it done twice?
Right, so I've had it done twice. And it wasn't a great nose, but it was much better than what I had, again, what I had before. And that really improved my self-confidence. Then, as I had gotten older, I'd hit it several times in basketball games and threw it out of shape a little bit. And then about 2 years ago, I developed a breathing problem. And so through some friends that I had had surgery done, that I had seen, I was recommended to Dr. Geroulis. And I feel great now because it's really renewed my confidence. And it's a much straighter nose, and it doesn't even look like I had it done.
No, it doesn't.
Before it did. It looked like there was something odd. It was an oddity about it. But now it's straight, and my breathing is improved, and I don't snore anymore.
Fantastic, fantastic. We're going to come back and find out more. Maybe you're interested. 530-8386. Won't you join us?